So hey good people, welcome back to another video. So today in this video I am gonna show you that how you can participate in Monster Galaxy GGM Launchpad on Bybit. So 1 hour ago Bybit announced that they will launch their next ninth launchpad, Monster Galaxy GGM, in their launchpad. So in this video I am gonna show you how to participate in this launchpad, how to participate step by step, how much tokens you have to hold and what is the date. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss any update from my channel. Okay, so let's move into our exchange. Okay, so Bybit is the number one exchange in the world, is one of the best crypto exchanges in the world. So in order to participate in this launchpad, you have to create account on Bybit. So I have given the link of account, I have given the link in the description to make sure to create the account from my link. And if you create account from my link, and you will get about 4,100 worth of dollars free. Okay, when you deposit your crypto in Bybit. Okay, so I have given the link in the description. Make sure to create account. I have given the link. Okay, so just enter the email, password and confirm it, and you will create your account. So after creating account, just go to Play Store and download the Bybit exchange. Okay, so you will see this interface right now. Okay, so here you can see the different steps. Here you can see the different. Okay, so here you can see all the features of the Bybit exchange, and you can see here. So first of all, you have to log in your account and complete your KYC. Okay, so lemon basic KYC is enough to participate in this. Okay, so this is the interface right now, and you can see all the features. So here you have to click on launchpad here. Okay, so just click on launchpad and you will see all the launchpads that are have been finished or live on Bybit. So here you can see there are total 9 projects that have been active on this Bybit launchpad. So you just have to click on view more, and here you can see the GGM token, Monster Galaxy token GGM launchpad is coming up. Okay, so you can see here all the launchpads that are launched on Bybit. Okay, so recently Kasta token is launched on Bybit at the value of 0.0188 bit, which is equal to 0.036 dollar. Okay, so right now its value is, you can see here right now its value is 0.8 dollar, and this is a huge profit you can get if you participate in launchpad. Okay, so make sure to participate in launchpad and earn huge profit. Okay, so you just have to click on here, and you can see all the details of the launchpad, GGM Monster Galaxy launchpad. So total tokens that are allocated for this launchpad is 10 million GGM token. Okay, so total 10 million GGM token will be distributed to the users who will participate in this launchpad, and 1 GGM price will be 0.025 dollar. Okay, which is very less, and cap per user is the maximum GGM token you can get. Okay, so if you hold and commit more bit tokens, you can earn more and more GGM tokens. Okay, so you can see here their website. You can read their white paper, you can read terms and conditions, you can read FAQ. So subscription will start in 7 days and 15 hours. So you can see here the time subscription will start. Oh, I will tell you step by step. So here you can see the snapshot period has not started, and you can see my daily average. So here are the terms and conditions. Okay, so you must complete the KYC level 1, and you can see all the details. So this launchpad will start on 13 January to 17 January 2022. Okay, so 13 January to 17/20 you have to hold more than 50 BT tokens in your spot wallet or Wi-Fi account or a derivative account. Okay, make sure you have more than 50 BT tokens in your account to participate in this launchpad. Okay, so in the from 13 January to 17 January you have to hold more than 50 bit tokens. So 50 bit tokens is minimum. The more tokens you will hold, the more GGM tokens, Galaxy Monster tokens you will get. Okay, so there are 4 steps. Okay, so first step is snapshot period. You don't have to do anything, you just have to hold your bit tokens in your spot account till 17 January. So in the on 18 January you can see here, in the 18 January you will see a button commit now. Okay, so you will see the button commit now. You just have to click on commit now, commit now button. Okay, in the 18 January. So after 18 January 3:30 to 10 UTC time you can click on commit button. So after 1 hour your tokens will be distributed. And okay, so you can see all the details here. You can see total supply will be 1 billion GGM tokens, and initial supply price you can see cap per user, token type is BEP20. Okay, so token distribution during the distribution period. You can see all the disclaimers right now here, and this is the step-by-step process to how to participate in Bybit Launchpad. Okay, so right now you need BT tokens. Okay, bit. So you can see the BT tokens. You can buy BT token on Bybit. You just have to click on market, and you can see the BT token right now. If you don't find BT tokens, you just have to click on bit, and you can see the BT token spot. Okay, so you just have to click on here in order to buy. So make sure to buy BT tokens as much as you can and hold BT tokens as much as you can to earn GGM tokens. So you just have to click on buy, and you can simply buy BT tokens. Okay, so this is the process on how to buy BT tokens. So you can see I just click on asset, and you can see that I have more than 50 BT tokens, 67. I have about 67 BT tokens. So I will hold these BT tokens in my spot wallet. Okay, so you just have to buy your BT token and hold it in spot wallet. You don't have to do anything right now. Okay, so make sure you have more than 50 BT tokens. So this is the process on how to participate in Galaxy Monster launchpad. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I have given the link in the description. Make sure to create account through my link. If you create account through my link, you will get extra 4,100 USDT. Okay, so you can claim up to 4,100 USD. Okay, so make sure to create account on Bybit through my link and enjoy extra benefits. So I will meet you in our next video. Take care.